Let's get ready together and do some makeup. For today, I'm trying out the Mediterranean makeup look, and that's basically the perfect makeup look for olive skin. You can think of bronzy, sun-kissed makeup. And of course, as always, we're gonna start off with skin prep. And you know when you have like a makeup look for every occasion? For me, I feel like I have a makeup look for every hairstyle that I have. Whenever I'm wearing my hair curly or like very volumized, I feel like I want to go for a beach holiday makeup look, and whenever it's like a slick back day, I feel like doing a clean girl, scandy girl makeup look. So it really depends on what hairstyle I have that day, and of course also the outfit and everything, but my hair really plays a big role on what makeup look I'm doing. Okay, so that is my skin prep done. I'm gonna move on to my brows before I forget. Today I'm not using foundation or anything heavy, so I'm gonna do this daily skin tint, and this one has also SPF, so that's really good. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and blend it out. I feel like this shade is just a little bit too light for me right now, but it's okay because we're gonna fix it with some bronzing later on. Now to bring back some bronziness, I'm gonna go in with the WESTMAN Atelier contour stick. This one is in the shade Truffle, and it's just so easy to work with. I use it all the time. And those are the placements when you really want to look bronzy and sun-kissed. I'm just gonna blend it out with this BK Beauty 111 brush. It's so good because it literally fits right in my cheeks like that. It keeps the product exactly where I put it, and also for my forehead it goes so easily and effortlessly. Okay, this already looks perfect. I was almost gonna forget my earrings, but look at how cute these ones are. My sister got them for me together with this necklace, and also those ones. Like, I'm obsessed. And they also match with my bracelet. This is just so cute to wear every day whenever you want in summer, because for me summer is like a holiday season, and that's how I treat it. Summer is like 3 months, and yes, you can go on holidays, but like for how long, you know, like maybe a week or 2 weeks. But for me, I love to just enjoy the whole summer experience wherever I am. Like even if I'm doing grocery shopping, I'm going to get groceries in summer, so I still want to look cute and summery. I really enjoy the sunshine and everything about summer. Next, I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and I'm just gonna do those areas over here. And I saw a video of Hailey Bieber also doing her concealer exactly this way, so I was like, okay, this actually is something that even Hailey Bieber does. And whenever I see someone who is really like a beauty icon doing something that I'm already doing, I feel like, okay, I'm doing something right. So, because you can always learn from those people, especially when you know that they always have makeup artists doing their makeup, so you know that they're talking from like experience and knowledge. Okay, I feel like I put a little bit too much, so I'm just gonna blend it out. You can see how little concealer you actually need. Like, you don't need to go heavy-handed at all, especially in summer. I feel like you can just go with the tiniest bit. Okay, so now for powder blush, I'm looking for my SAIE powder blush, but I cannot find her. You guys, everything is a mess. Like, I really have to do my makeup bag. Like, it's so bad. And I keep saying I'm gonna do it, but I don't. I think after this video, I'm gonna do a reset makeup bag. I hope you love that kind of videos, because that one is definitely coming. I just can't function if everything is not in the right place. And now I'm gonna set under my eyes just the slightest amount of powder, because I don't want like cakey under eyes. And I'm just placing this under my eyes and a little bit on my T-zone and around my mouth. Next, I'm gonna go in with this WESTMAN Atelier highlighter stick in the shade Nectar. And this is just my favorite thing ever. Like, I put it everywhere, like on my eyelids, on my cheeks. Like, I even put it on my lips instead of lip gloss. You can already see how pretty that looks. And the only way that I can describe it is like glass skin. If you love glass skin effect, then you will love this product. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna do brown mascara. Okay, this looks good. I'm gonna do the other side. You guys, this always takes so long, and I feel like mascara shouldn't take this long, but I don't know why. With me it takes pretty long time. I'm just gonna do 2 coats as always. Okay, and then the last one over here. Okay, I'm gonna leave my under eyelashes as they are, because I just love a natural look. However, I'm gonna do a little bit of lining over here. Just a brown eye pencil, just like that. So this is how we're looking now. It's so pretty. It looks smoky, but in a very easy and everyday kind of makeup look. Wearable makeup, and not too crazy and not too difficult. Because if there's something that I lose concentration of, is whenever something becomes like too complicated and too much. I don't like too many steps when it comes to makeup, and I love to just keep it simple. Like, you can do any makeup look, but in a simplified way. That's always been my opinion. It doesn't have to be 100 million steps or super precise or something. And I'm gonna top it up with this lip oil. That was a little bit too much. I'm gonna finish off with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. And that's pretty much it for this makeup look. Just gonna fix my hair. For today's vibe, I feel like if I just take a little bit like that of my hair and just clip it with the cutest hair clip. It will just give this holiday girl in Italy vibe. And that's it for this makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed getting ready together, and I will see you in my next one.